ENGIE is accelerating the energy transition in partnership with our customers in industries, cities and communities. Hand in hand with Mölnlycke, a world-leading global medical products and solutions company, we are working to realize their vision of building a sustainable healthcare manufacturing ecosystem. Commissioned in 2022, Mölnlycke's glove manufacturing plant in Kulim High-Tech Park, Malaysia, represents a key milestone in our partnership. ENGIE's utilities as a service model plays an important role in realizing Mölnlycke's sustainability ambitions in Malaysia. There are multiple key utilities provided at their Kulim plant through utilities as a service. Compressed air with necessary buffer capacity for instrumentation and other manufacturing processes. Chilled water and iced water for optimal operation of the plant's production line. High-temperature thermal oil to support the glove manufacturing process. And will meet up to 10% of the plant's electricity needs with rooftop solar. Outsourcing the supply, operation and maintenance of these utilities to ENGIE guarantees high levels of availability, providing peace of mind through reliability, which allows Mölnlycke to stay focused on their core business. In addition, with their decarbonization roadmap developed by ENGIE, Mölnlycke can significantly reduce the CO2 equivalent emissions from their production across Malaysia by 2030, bringing them closer to their goal of net zero by 2050 latest. At ENGIE, we approach each utilities as a service project as a partnership, from consulting, designing and financing to operating and maintaining the utilities. ENGIE offers a holistic approach to sustainability. Play your part in the creation of the low-carbon infrastructure of tomorrow, today with ENGIE.